Hi everyone, I'm doing a series of videos called Why You Should See My Cooking Classes and what it's all about, and a lot of people have questions about that. So I decided to do a couple different videos explaining a couple different parts of our cooking classes and why everybody should see my cooking classes. So my name is Annie. I'm a authorized Saladmaster dealer. I'm a first Mongolian dealer in the world, and I hope we'll have more Mongolian dealers very soon. And I'm not a Michelin star chef. A lot of people think after watching my cooking classes, they think I'm a professionally trained chef or nutritionist or something like that. I do not have any of those backgrounds, and I've been just cooking the last 40 years since my first, second grade. I've been cooking at home, and whatever I learned was just, basic home cooking style. That's about it. There was nothing. I don't have any professional training in cooking. And a lot of my friends that know me, a lot of them were surprised when I started this business 3 years ago to see me cooking and so passionately talking about it, because a lot of them know that I actually don't like cooking, and I don't like sitting in the kitchen all night prepping food and stuff. So I prefer to eat more than cooking. And thanks to this business that I've been doing for the last 3 years, my cooking skills just improved dramatically in the last 3 years, and I'm able to feed party of 20, 30 people in less than an hour and a half, probably. I could whip up really quick, easy recipes and super tasty and super fast. So, and it's been healthy living and healthy eating and any of these kind of wellness related topics were my passion. I've been always interested in this area, and always researched anti-aging hacks and wellness hacks and tips. So it's been always in my mind. But last 3 years, I've been able to see and meet thousands of people and change their lives through healthy cooking and teach them simple, basic cooking concepts which they can use in their everyday cooking and help their family and their kids. And it's just basically generational health that you are able, if you cook at home every day and teach your kids how to eat healthy, most likely when they grow up, they will be also more health conscious and they will be eating much more healthier. If you were taught about it, from the young age. The concept of healthy eating changed a lot for me in 2020 when my mom was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. And suddenly, I really never heard about it much and was really never heard anything about it before, the difference between alkaline and acidic food and how it affects our health and how healthy eating can affect basically everything. The lifestyle diseases are, the primary cause of those diseases are unhealthy foods. So your food can be a medicine or your food can be also your poison. So it's our choice to make right decisions. It's our choice to choose what you're eating, how you're eating, and how you can sustain the healthy lifestyle and healthy eating on day-to-day basis. A lot of people go on diets and for a month or 2 months, and then they lose the couple pounds that they wanted to lose, and then they go right back to the old habits and old foods, and they gain everything back and extra more. There's tons of studies about that. So I teach people through my cooking classes how they can do healthy eating and healthy cooking day to day, every day, and how to make it easy, fast, and simple so you can sustain it. And instead of going from one diet to another diet, just have a healthy eating habits every day. And then for the rest of your life, you really don't have to feel like you need to go on diet, because you will be eating healthy plus very tasty. So in our cooking classes, we teach how to keep the alkaline state of your foods and vegetables, and how to retain the nutrition, 93% of the nutrients in your food, how to cook without oils, how to cook without water. There are, again, tons of research done. If you cook in the water and high temperature, you lose most of, 80–90% of your nutrients of your food. So, and how to cook soups properly to retain the vegetables, the alkaline state and nutrition of your vegetables. Also, another thing, if you go to a doctor, you have some health issues, you go to a doctor and doctor tells you, okay, you have this, this, and this. You need to do this, this, this. Here's your prescription, and you need to pay attention to your diet. You need to cut your oil, you need to cut your salt, you need to cut this and that and that. Processed foods and all that stuff. But nobody really, no doctor or nutritionist actually comes to your home and teaches you how to do that simple, easy way under 30 minutes. Within like an hour of my class, you will learn how to cook properly your food, and it's a skill that will remain with you forever, and for the rest of your life you will be able to feed yourself and your family with nutritious, tasty, and healthy food forever. So I don't have to explain you that, the food can be your medicine, and by eating healthy and having healthy daily habits, you can retain your health. A lot of people, I get a lot of questions. I'm almost 50 now, and a lot of people ask, how I stay slim, how I stay in shape, and how, I look, good, and I don't have really any, visible wrinkles and all that stuff. I think it's 100%, it's related to how I eat and my daily healthy habits. So I teach all that stuff in my cooking class, and if you are interested in finding out a little bit more, you can comment under this video, yes, and we will get in touch with you, and we can schedule a group or private class at your convenience of your home, or you can come to our kitchen studio. Our kitchen studio is located right by O'Hare Airport in Chicago, so we are kind of central location. If you are in the north suburbs, south suburbs, east, west, from anywhere you're coming in, it's pretty good central location, and we can accommodate a pretty big group of people, but usually I try to keep my classes between 6 to 10 people. And this coming month, it's a Thanksgiving month, we are saying thank you to our customers, and we are giving away 30 free cooking classes, and we can come to you, or you come to us. All the groceries will be provided. All I ask from you is just provide me plates and utensils and water and some drinks, whatever you want to drink, and we'll come to you. I'll give you a menu to choose from, and you can pick from the menu 3 hot dishes and 1 salad, and it will be a complete full 4-course meal, and it will be all done under 1 hour, depending on how many people, of course. So it may take a little bit longer, but my requirement for the class size will be between 6 to 10 people. So you can have girls' night out, or you can have maybe, I don't know, a holiday get-together, or meet up with the friends, and you don't have to cook, and we will provide you with the menu, and you can pick your dishes. Also, I get a lot of customers who are fitness competitive people. They play sports, and before any competition, they have to have certain weight, and they cannot go over their weight limit. They want to go into the fitness competition. They need to have more defined muscles, and they need to eat super, super clean. As you know, the 6-pack is not made in the gym. It's actually cooked in the kitchen. So if you don't eat very healthy, clean food, you cannot get that definition of that six-pack. So a lot of, gym and trainers, they will tell you, okay, eat this and this and this, cut your oil, no fried food, not this or not that. But nobody really comes to you and explains you how to do that. I had a girl who was getting ready for a fitness competition, and she's like, Annie, I cannot stand looking at this chicken breast and broccoli anymore. I just get stuck here and I cannot eat it anymore. It's so bland. It's so untasty, and I have no idea how I'm gonna survive next few days until my competition. So I did a cooking for her, and she tried my chicken, my broccoli, and my vegetables the way I cooked it, and she's like, wow, this is like a game changer. So another example of how you can make your life much more simpler, and by learning how to cook your foods properly and how to retain the vitamins, the taste, the nutrition, and all that stuff that you need to get from the food, and saving a lot of time by doing that. So a lot of people complain they don't have enough time to cook. It's impossible for them to cook on a daily basis. They are working full-time jobs, they're taking kids after school activities, and they just have no time to be standing in the kitchen and cooking. So I show my niches, I show people how they can do cooking, their daily cooking, in 30 minutes. So you can have tasty, nutritious, really nice meals under 30 minutes every night. So this is the, my way of telling thank you to my customers and clients, and also for anybody who's interested in learning about healthy cooking and healthy eating and want to stay young and want to stay healthy as long as possible. Contact me and we'll get in touch with you and schedule you. So we obviously, these tasting experiences are live experiences. So if you are in Chicagoland area, I can come to you. But if you also want to learn from distance, we offer also virtual classes. The only thing, you cannot taste the food, but the information, how to do it, what we do, how all the techniques that we use, and all the information about our products, we can also do a virtual presentation and cooking class also. Okay, so just comment under this video. This video will be also saved on our YouTube channel. We have a lot of content on YouTube also, so check out our YouTube channel. I will put all the links in the description of this video. So this is, I will do a couple more videos about our cooking classes and why you need to see it and who needs to see it. And I hope it will encourage you to dig deeper and check it out and attend one of our classes and improve your health, improve your healthy lifestyle, and stick with the program, stick with it and make it your daily habit. So we care, we love, and we really try to provide the best customer service and support for our customers. And if there are any questions, give us a call, DM us, message us, put a comments below, and we'll get back to you. So until the next video, we'll see you next time. Bye.